We are coming to a very new topic, which is the last topic of A1. That's this. Yeah, this one. So, 9. Not exactly this, because this is participle. Why? Yeah, here. This is we are doing now. So, what's this? So, there is a conversation given here. That's I think, 7 to 8 sentences. You have to decide that these sentences are for the kunda. Kunda means customer, or they are for the seller. That's for the seller who is selling the clothes. For example, kann ich Ihnen helfen? Can I help you? So what do you think? Kunda or Verkäuferin? Who says these sentences? Kann ich Ihnen helfen? Can I help you? Kunda or Verkäuferin?
Kunda is more.
Kunda is customer, Verkäuferin is seller. Verkäuferin, right? Similarly, try to understand the meaning of the other sentences and let me know that could you get it? Could you get the meaning or not? And then we're going to do the dative personal pronomen. Ihnen, ihr, ihm. So we're going to do that. So first of all, try to fix it down. Lesen Sie den Satz und versuchen Sie, wer sagt was? That means who says what? Kunden oder Verkäuferin? 2 minutes. Ich gebe euch 2 Minuten Zeit und dann diskutieren wir ganz schnell. Ich komme zurück in 2. Yeah, gemacht.
Yeah,
Ma'am, can you tell me the meaning of gefällt?
Gefällt. Gefällt is to like. To like. Gefällt.
Gemacht.
Lesen Sie den zweiten Satz, Sana, und lass es mich switchen. Es ist für Kunde oder für Kunde oder für Verkäuferin?
Welche Größe brauchen Sie? Said by Kunda.
Welche Größe? Größe is the Größe means size. So which size do you need? Kunde oder Verkäuferin jetzt?
Verkäuferin.
Verkäuferin, richtig? Because they ask for the size, that which size do you need? Okay, das ist Verkäuferin. Okay, then Ashwin, next one, bitte.
Wie finden Sie den Pullover hier? Kunde.
We
Yeah, ma'am.
finden Sie den Pullover here. This
Yeah.
is Kunda. How do you find the pullover sweater? How do you find the sweater here? That's Kunda. Richtig? Oder who asked this question? How do you find the pullover? कैसा लगा ये sweater?
So it's verkaufen.
It's verkäuferin. Yeah, a seller says that, you know. Okay, then Nummer D, Revati, lesen Sie bitte den Satz und sagen Sie mir, ist das für Kunde oder für Verkäuferin?
Haben Sie den euch in Blau?
Kunde.
It's not euch, it's auch. Haben Sie den auch in blau? Do you have this? Do you have this also in blue? So that's obviously Kunde, yeah? Okay, then Samriddhi, Nummer A bitte.
Wie gefällt Ihnen der Verkäuferin?
Wie gefällt Ihnen der, right? That's Verkäuferin. Okay, very good. It's gefällt, not gefällt, it's gefällt. Okay, then next number, Sana.
We feel costed air.
Yeah.
Window.
Kunde. Then Revati, Nummer G bitte.
On past evening they pullover.
Past Ihnen der Pullover. Okay.
We confident.
Verkäuferin. Okay, richtig. Does the pullover passen means to suit? So she asked that past Ihnen der Pullover, does it suit? Does the sweater suits you? Okay, the last one, Ashwin.
Haben Sie den auch in L? Kunde.
Yeah, haben Sie den auch in L? Do you have that in L? That's Kunde. Very good. Now, then another task comes in here. You have read the questions between the Kunde and the Verkäuferin. Now you have to answer. Now you have to arrange the answers for this question. For example, the first question, kann ich Ihnen helfen? So the answer to this question is this. Ja, bitte, ich suche einen Pullover. So we have written, this is the answer for A. So we have written here A. Similarly, try to find out the answers for the other question, arrange it, and then we can discuss. Okay. So, the zweite Nummer Frage und zweite Nummer Antwort, Sana.
The second one I'm not able to do it.
Yeah.
I could do from fourth onwards.
You can do it for what? Sana, I didn't get you. What?
From the fourth sentence onwards, I can do it.
Okay. Anybody who has got the answer for Nummer 2, B? Welche Größe brauchen Sie? Which size do you need?
Ich habe
So the answer-
meistens,
Yeah.
ich habe meistens Excel, manchmal auch nur L.
It is not XL, it is XL. X is X in German. Ich habe meistens XL, aber manchmal nur L. So I have mostly XL, but sometimes L. So that is the answer from Nummer B. Understood, Sana?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I interchanged it.
Okay. Okay, then Samriddhi, wie finden Sie den Pullover here?
Ja, ich hole ihn hier bitte.
Yeah,
The last sentence, 8th sentence.
ich hole ihn. Ich hole ihn hier bitte. Hole is to, okay, I'm picking up. So picking up is not the answer that's going here. Wie finden Sie den Pullover here? How do you find the sweater? Anybody has any different answer here for the question? Yeah, Revati, the
Day.
question says, yeah, listen, see.
Sentence day. What? Haben Sie
Sentence day.
den Augen in Blau?
No, not that. I'm looking for the answer of the question. Say, we finden Sie den pullover here. How do you like the, or how do you find the sweater? कैसा लगा sweater? इसका answer. What would be the antwort? Ashwin, welche Antwort haben Sie für diese Frage?
Nummer 5.
Okay, lesen Sie.
Nicht so richtig. Er ist so weit. Ich habe ihn
Ja.
wieder ausgesogen.
Ausgezogen. Gezogen. Nicht so richtig, not so right. Es ist so white. White means broad, chauda. It is very broad. Ich habe ihn wieder ausgezogen. Ausgezogen is the participle for aussehen. Aussehen means to, ansehen means to put on. Aussehen means to put off. Utar dena, undress. Ansehen, to dress. Aussehen means to undress, and ausgezogen is the participle zwei. So I have again, undressed that pullover. Now he's saying, haben Sie den auch in blau? Do you have in blue? So what is the answer, Sana?
Einen Moment bitte. Hier ist er in Blau.
Yeah, here is er in blau. It is in blau. Okay, good. Now we feel costed air, Samriddhi. We feel costed air.
Er ist sehr günstig. Nur 9 und 40
Yeah.
Punkt
Okay.
90 Euro.
Yeah. But Samriddhi, we say it like that. 49 Euro 90. We don't say punkt. 49 Euro. Euro बोलने के बाद we tell the other part, that is 90. Okay, yeah.
Probieren Sie ihn doch mal an.
Probieren Sie ihn doch mal an. Try it. Probieren is a trennbaren verb that means to try it on. So he's asking to that it's a very cheap 49 euro only. Just try that on. Try the pullover on. Okay, then und was passt Ihnen der Pullover? Revati, passt Ihnen der Pullover? Does the pullover suits you?
Nicht so richtig. Er ist so weit. Ich habe
Revati, that's the answer for say. This 5 number is the answer for say. We finden Sie den Pullover here. Okay. Ein Moment. Es tut mir leid. There is some confusion. Okay, he says we finden Sie den Pullover here. So he says 9 Richters. Okay, then he says haben Sie auch in L. Okay, es tut mir leid. It's a confusion. For this C number question, we finden Sie den Pullover here. How do you find the pullover? The answer should be this. Ich weiß nicht. I don't know. Grün steht mir nicht so gut. Yeah. Green doesn't suit me. तब वो पूछता है that haben Sie den auch in blau? क्या आपके पास blue में है? So C का answer is 1. This should be a lie. And last का answer, Revati, you are correct. G's answer is this one. It passed in their pullover. Does the pullover suits you? So he says 9 nicht so richtig. Es ist so white. It is very wide. That is broad. Ich habe ihn wieder ausgezogen. I, undress. I changed it. I put it out. Then he says, haben Sie denn auch in L? Do you have? It's in L. So lastly, she says that ja, ich hole ihn hier bitte. So last H ka answer would be this. Now, so G ka answer is Sions. And Sek answer was I. I changed the number. Yeah, Rishtish now. Understood the conversation between the Kunde and the Verkäuferin?
Yes, ma'am.
Now comes the thing here. What is Ihnen? What is mir? You know what is in, right? We did that. In we did in when we were doing the accusative for him. In, do you know him? That's the pronoun for his, him. Then you have again